everyone, and welcome back to RubberStamps.com. Today we are going to be creating a super cute October bullet journal spread. It's going to be 2 pages using this Which Way to the Candy stamp set. So you'll need that, your bullet journal, these Doodler's markers by Zebra. You'll also need archival ink, a ruler, and your acrylic block. This bullet journal is pretty easy to do, but it ends up being super cute. I love the way it turned out, so just stay tuned for a really quick and easy tutorial to show you how to create this bullet journal spread. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. So to start, we have placed our witch in the bottom left-hand corner of the left side page. And what we're going to do now is use a pencil and just very lightly trace a rectangle at the top of the page using our ruler and our pencil. This is where we're going to put our weekly planner. So you're going to want this to just fill the space right above the witch, and we are going to overlap just a little bit with her hat. Next, we are going to take this black Doodler's marker and we're going to use the thinner side because this has 2 sides, a brush side and just a regular marker side. And we are just going to outline what we already traced with the pencil using this black marker. And then next you are just going to divide this rectangle into 7 different compartments. Next, we're going to take our acrylic block. We are using the medium size for this one because it fits the witch. You have to kind of finagle it around, make sure it's turned at an angle, but the witch will fit on this medium-sized block. So just put the witch on the block, then we're going to grab our archival ink pad, ink up the witch, and make sure she makes a good impression on the left-hand side of the left page. Next, we are going to stamp the black cat that we have along with the cauldron right next to the witch on the bottom of the page. And then we are going to write in cursive the word October in the space that we have right next to the witch. And then I'm also taking these star stamps and just putting those around the extra space that we have between October and the cauldron and the witch, just to kind of fill that in and give it a little something extra. And then moving on to the right hand side of the pages, we are going to be doing our mood tracker on this page. So you're going to start by tracing the top of a cauldron at the bottom of the page, and then you'll go back over that and outline it with the marker. Next, we are going to take the 3 potion bottle stamps that we have and stamp 31 of them for every day in the month of October on this page, because that is what we're going to be using for our mood tracker. And finally, we're going to go back over everything and color it in with our Doodler's markers. The 3 main colors that I'm using for this picture are going to be purple, green, and orange. And then I also have a navy blue as well. And you could really choose whatever colors you want, but I just wanted to choose like some fun, funky Halloween colors. I think that looks really cute on the witch, and it also is going to look really cute as you're coloring in your mood tracker throughout the month. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in all of my mood tracker right now so you can get an idea of what it will look like at the end of the month, but obviously you would be doing these day by day or as you remember it throughout the month. It's just a really fun way to track how you're feeling during this spooky season. Let us know in the comments below if you tried making this bullet journal. Again, we are using our Which Way to the Candy stamp set. It's super fun and easy to make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this, and we will see you next time.